In this video, I'll show you how to change the cart page color in Squarespace. Once you are on your Squarespace website, the first step is to head over to your cart. And to do that, you want to head over to your main navigation. And on the right hand side, you'll be able to see cart. Now, depending on how your website looks like, this could be a cart logo or just the text cart. Now, if you click on cart, it will automatically take you to your shopping cart page. And in order for you to change this background without affecting the other themes, what you want to do is simply head over to the navigation panel on the left hand side, and you want to make sure that website is selected. Now, under website, you want to click on pages, and on the pages section, you want to scroll down. And at the very bottom, you'll see the option for custom code. Now, click on the drop down for custom code. And once you do that, you want to click on custom CSS. Now that will bring you to custom CSS, and in here you will have a blank slate. Now what I want you to do is head over to the description of this video, and in there you will find a short line of code. Simply highlight the whole code and press on Ctrl C to copy, and once you're done, head over to the blank slate of custom CSS and press on Ctrl V to paste. Once you do that, as you can see, it will automatically change the background of the shopping cart, and we have the color as white. You can change this into however you want it to be, and to do that, head over to the second line and hover on white. Now on white, you want to highlight, and in here you can either add a hex code, or what you could also do is state the color itself. You can say blue, and once you do that, it will automatically change to blue. You can even set it to red, purple, if that is something that you want to set it to. Now, if you want to add a hex code, you want to simply head over to the hex code in which you want. I'm using htmlcolorcodes.com. Now, let's say I want to add it on a shade like this. So just simply highlight the whole hex code and head over to Squarespace. In here, you want to highlight the exact color name and pressing Ctrl V to paste the hex code. Now, once you do that, you want to head over to the very first line of the hex code. Mine is E. And from here, you want to add a hashtag. And once you do that, it will automatically reflect to the exact hex code. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.